Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, so today's video is going to be me following a makeup look by James Charles. This has been a requested video and I think it would just be perfectly fitting because, especially on my TikTok, so many people have been saying, you look like James Charles. Who's this? James Charles. Is this the UK version of James Charles? So I decided that I was going to follow one of his makeup tutorials and I'm going to be trying to recreate this look over here, which is one of his most iconic looks ever. I'm so nervous. He is such a truly talented artist and some of his looks literally blow my mind and I'm scared. I am very scared. So I watched this video when it came out. I haven't watched it since. So I'm going to put it in front of me. I'm going to play it and I'm going to try and follow. Now, all I know is that he started with his base on. So I've done my base off camera and I think I'm ready. Pray for me. Wish me luck. Ooh, I'm freaking out. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best. I hope you guys love this video. I'm so nervous. We have white hoodie, check. White background, check. Up hair. I haven't worn my hair like this in ages. Check. And fingers crossed. Okay, so laptop is in front of me and I'm gonna press play. Let's watch this together. Oh my god, it's so epic! Oh my god, I love this look. Yes! Hi sisters, James. Hey sisters!
So, I'm currently on set right now for my campaign video and photo shoot.
I remember when this came out.
Collection with Morphe. Oh my god.
I'm so proud of him. This is amazing! I love this palette and I actually have the brush sets, look!
Launch is literally going to break makeup history.
Broken. Ooh. His like intros are like the best.
Oh, ouch.
Oh, those lashes are cute though.
Lashes, and I'm gonna look on top of this. I'm first gonna grab an M433 brush and dip into the shade Escape.
Oh wow, okay, wait a minute. Woo! Wow, we're straight going in there. Let me just grab my palette and a brush, 1 second. So I have my James Charles palette right here. Okay, he's starting with purple, right?
Like imagine it's gonna be like
I think it's this one, I'm not sure.
The outer V. I normally don't apply shadows like this either,
Oh my god, did he prep his lids? Wait, I'm so confused.
But a lot of the shadows don't actually apply that pigment colors, and through doing that,
okay,
some of the matte shades are either matte or some of them are actually pressed pigments, which means you just have to work with them.
Back it on, sister.
Brush and dip into the shade Single, which is that lighter purple shade.
Single, okay.
Use this to lightly diffuse out the edges.
Okay.
Right into the
oh wow, how did he get that?
Yeah, we're gonna come back to that.
That wing.
Now that the purple's all placed on the
Wait.
outer and it's all set in place,
Wait, this is happening so fast.
brush and dip into B, which is the bright
Wait, yellow already?
by far the best
Oh god.
yellow shadow.
Guys, I'm still blending this out. Okay, wait. Next brush. It takes me like 20 minutes just to find a brush. Ah! Okay, next up, yellow. And he's going in here. Oh. Wow, that is...
Next, I'm going to grab another M433 brush. This is why I love this.
What's the M43?
So much because there are multiples.
Oh, this is pigmented though. Wait, I need to rewind. Oh my god, James Charles, you're going so fast. Please calm down, babe, please.
Oh my god, that is like true red. Red is one of the shades that I was most excited about, but also...
Is that a red? It's so nice. Oh. Guys, I feel like we're getting there. Okay, all this talking is amazing because it's buying me time. 51H. I'm gonna use the same brush. We ain't got time for this. Okay, where's he gonna put this? Oh, in here. Oh, okay. I feel like I need to blend this out though.
Ladies and gentlemen, is the M456. Now you're probably thinking
M456. What does that look like?
No, it's not. You guys know the
This one?
M433 is my
M431.
I have 36 of these in my makeup collection, and they all are covered.
Oh, that is the M433. Yes. Oh my god, his looks so much better than mine. His ones look so good. It's like a proper like smoked out.
And then going back into my M456.
Wait, what's going on?
So this is looking messy right now. We're obviously going to clean it up. Do not worry. So now we're at the stage where I want to cut the crease and lay down the rest of the shadows.
Cut the crease. Okay, hold up. This is going so fast. I am sweating. I'm actually sweating right now. I can't find any of these brushes. There's too many brushes in here. I need to sort this out. What is this brush called? Oh my God, what's this brush? Okay, maybe this one will be good. And then what concealer are we using today? Why does it take me 5 minutes to find a brush? Like, am I that slow? And I feel like I missed a whole step. We're back on track, guys.
An M224 brush. This is my favorite concealer, and just a thick white concealer. And I'm just gonna go right in.
White? Okay, wait, hold up. This is going too fast. I need to pause this video. I'm someone who really likes to take my time when I blend because I'm not as good as James Charles. I'm so sorry. I don't know about you guys, but this does not look the same. Okay, let me see if I have a white concealer. It's been a while since I last used one of those. And I do this thing where I'm literally holding 4 things in one hand and then blending with the other because I'm panicked. So let me just put everything down. Breathe. And we'll be right back. Woo! Okay, don't hate me. I have the lightest concealer I can find. It's almost white. It looks good, it looks good. So we're gonna use that. I don't think I've got that same brush as him, or maybe it's somewhere else. We're gonna go ahead and dip in here and let's press play.
Bigger than normal. And then grabbing an M431. This is the little pencil brush from the kit. I'm gonna grab a tiny bit more of that concealer on the paintbrush. I just dab a little bit off, and I'm gonna go in and actually diffuse out those edges because I don't want this to be.
Thank God it's not a cut crease.
Now I'm gonna grab an M166 brush and dip into the white shade in the palette, which is Flashback.
Wow. This is really happening. Wow. I wish I could do a cut crease that fast.
Oh, I really wanted to make a super pigmented white eyeshadow because
wow, okay, white.
Really hard to find.
Okay, we're gonna go in white, guys. I have to say, guys, the pigment of these are amazing. This palette is so good. I think I've just realized I actually did do this look once before. I think I did. My God! Wait a minute. Wait. We're gonna spritz. Spritz. Okay, and then we're gonna use the blue. Oh. Okay, I just totally missed the whole shade. I'm stressing out that I still have the whole other eye to do. Like, usually for me, I basically do like blue, red, you know, I do it together. So the fact that I'm literally just doing one eye is making me kind of nervous. Oh, he's putting loads of glitter on. Okay, let's get glitter then. I thought this was going to be mainly about the palette, but I'll be right back. Okay, so I have some glitter here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This was their Christmas collection. Ooh, she's sparkly. This is how I put glitter. I just stick it on. No, that didn't work. Okay, guys, so this is my little cheat. I've just put a bit more of that concealer on, and then I'm gonna dab my finger on it so that it sticks to the lid. I'm gonna go for some drama. Yes, that's pretty. It looks pretty, apart from all the fallout that I'm getting on this, and I got blue. Okay, glitter on. Let's press play. I can't believe I'm pausing this so much. I'm so sorry, guys.
And I'm going to pop this.
So we're gonna go blue.
And also creating a faux inner corner as well.
Wow, it's so pigmented, guys. No, I need to pause this again. This is so crazy. He's literally done so much. I feel like nothing is blended. It looks hella crazy. Oh my God. Freaking out right now. I look crazy. Before we start the video, let's apply the liner. I'm gonna use this one from Huda Beauty. And he just did like a really thin line on top. So let's do that. Okay, liner is on top. And he's now gonna go ahead and apply a false lash, right? Did I miss anything else?
Alright, you guys, and that is one eye of this Unleash Your Inner.
Okay, anyone else sweating? I'm actually gonna be using these bad boys from my boo, Gary. Oh my God, I'm so proud. He's literally just launched his own lash with Isla. And these ones are called Bad and Bougie. And he also has a second pair called Snatched. I'm literally buzzing right now. I can't even deal that I'm putting on one of my best friend's lashes. Like, seriously? This is such a crazy moment. Ignoring the fallout, how stunning is this lash? Like, stunning. And they are available at Boots, guys. Definitely check them out. Gary, I'm so proud of you. Whew. Okay, so I also just popped a tiny lash on the bottom. This was just some like little clusters that I have right here.
Hello, we are back.
Bam, we got both eyes on. Okay, let's pause the video again. I'm so sorry, guys. We have to pause this because things are moving at a very, very fast rate, almost as fast as this virus going around right now. So let's breathe. Let's recompose. I'm going to do exactly as James done and finish off the other eye off camera. So far, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I feel like I need to maybe spend a little bit more time blending out, but I'm just gonna take my time on the other eye, do the lashes, and I'll be right back. Woo! Okay, the mess. If only you guys could see the mess in front of me. This is a very dramatic look for me. I'm not gonna lie. I'm loving it. I wish I was going somewhere. I'm actually really, really proud of myself, and I honestly feel like this palette is insane. Let's get ready for the next part of the video. Let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna be using this one as the Makeup Forever palette. So I'm gonna use the white here. Oh, wow, okay. We're really doing this, guys. We are actually doing this. This is really happening. Oh my God, it's quite high. It crosses the whole mouth and goes there. So we're gonna get our wet wipe again. Oh my God. Top of the lip and then across. I look crazy. I look crazy. So I don't know if I'm meant to go over the mustache or not. What am I meant to do here? I feel like this white isn't as white as his. Guys, you know when you say you're painting your face? I literally feel like I'm painting my face. Why is there an eyelash? You are kidding me. Ooh, it does tickle and feel good.
Now I just have to paint my entire body white.
Oh my God, my entire body.
Let's do it.
Oh my God, let's do it, guys. I'm literally scooping this out. It's so hard to scoop out, guys. Maybe there's an easier way. I'm gonna be here all day. Oh my God. I think that looks really good. You know, just don't turn this way. Cheater! Okay, what is next? Oh my God, he had people help him. That is it, guys.
I had the idea for this look so long ago and I had so much fun conceptualizing.
Oh my God, so that is the finished look, guys. Let's give it a little bit of sass. Who's ready for it? Yes, guys, I hope you have absolutely loved this video. I literally still can't believe that we actually created this look. This is definitely me pushing myself outside of my comfort zone. Let me know if there's anyone else that you'd love me to follow their video. Just let me know in the comments below. And until next time, I'll see you soon, guys. Bye. I can't believe I literally have to take this all off now. Here we go, guys. Let's do this. Should I just have a shower? It's never gonna come off.